but I don't think I'm getting a good price. Let's see if we can pull back up a bit. Okay, it's fine. I'm already in. Let's see if I'm gonna get a signal. Yeah, no, it's still okay. I think I got a good, well, not a good, but the price is not bad. Right? Price is not bad. And besides, these two have already pulled down to almost the buy zone. And this one did touch the buy zone, so this one is a bit behind. So I'm trusting that it's also gonna follow suit. All right, 20 seconds to go. Let's see. This is the Supernova. Very, it's proving to be very consistent, right? There you go. There you go. There you go. Right. It seems we've won this one. Yes. As you can see, not too bad. Not too bad. Not too bad. Right. Yeah, man. This is my Supernova script. You'll notice that most of my scripts, I always trade them and use ADX as a confirmation type of indicator. The reason is that I haven't been able to include the ADX parts inside my script. So once I do that, then I wouldn't have to add ADX, and then it will just be my script like this, right? So let's see here. We just got a signal. Let's see. Let's go in ADX and see what it's saying. Okay, here. That's two ways. I think I'm gonna wait for 2 candles just to confirm. Okay, yes, I'm going to sell here. But no, by this time they were going up together. So if I get like a pullback, maybe back to the signal here, then I'm gonna sell, yeah. But if I don't get it, then it's fine. It's just taking forever. I wanted to show you another signal here. But anyways, okay, it's selling, but it's not giving me the pullback. So anyway, that's what I use the ADX for, to confirm, right? This one I'm gonna take. So this is Bitcoin. So yeah, I've taken this one. Yes, I've taken this one because this one is confirmed nicely immediately when I've gotten the pullback. I mean not the pullback, the signal here. Unlike this one here, there was no confirmation from the ADX, right? So let's go back to the Bitcoin. Let's see how it goes, right? I think I should take another one for, I've got about 4 minutes. Nope, I'm not gonna take 4 minutes. Actually, yes, I'm gonna take another one for 4 minutes, and then we'll just see how it goes. Got about 9 seconds on this one, so definitely I'm losing this. Okay, so I'm gonna add here. So I got basically 2 positions now. Okay, this one I'm going to win, I think. For sure I'm gonna win this one. So I'm gonna lose one entry and win two, right? Okay, I lost another one here. So I'll just be making bet. So in fact, let me try and add another one. Okay, let's see how Bitcoin is doing. We've got about 5 seconds left. Okay, we've made our first entry back. This one I think I'm gonna win easily, right? Okay, we got about 50 seconds and it's already, as you can see, right? This one I knew I'm gonna win easily, right? Thing is with Bitcoin, it's too volatile. So you find that when you take like 1 minute trades, um, you need to be very careful, right? But this one, I think I gave this one 3 minutes, so I knew I was gonna win this one, right? So yes, so from Bitcoin, I lost my 50 here, so I lost 2 trades, and then I made back 23, and now I'm making 47. So not bad, not bad. Yes. So yes, this is the script, guys. Let me know if you also wanna um, get a hold of the script. I think it's very consistent, as you can see, right? Numbers don't lie, numbers don't lie, numbers don't lie, right? As you can see, numbers don't lie, numbers don't lie, numbers don't lie, right? Anyways, that's it, guys. That's it from me. This is my Supernova strict script. Let me know if you want.